fly ball toward left. There's the catch. Bourn tags. The throw to the plate is going to be way late. A sac fly for Chipper ties the game at 1. Boy, is that a sight for sore eyes. Get him on, get him over, and get him in. 1-1.
Braves were the worst in the league at getting a runner in from third base. They've scored fewer runs with a runner at third and less than 2 outs of anybody. If they get this one in, and it's a good one, to counter the run in the top of the inning. What was very interesting was this slide by Michael Bourn. I don't know if he was getting ready to barrel Ruiz over, but he kind of went in on his knees as Ruiz got out of the way right at the last second. And yeah, he had his 4